your head down a bit. Okay.
When you say 3, you can pull your blindfold off.
Okay,
Okay,
ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, wait. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You have a brother! How cute is he? Oh, he loves you. Hi, buddy.
Keep them closed.
Oh, he's gorgeous. Oh.
Thank you so much.
It's for you.
His name's Prince.
You like that?
Thank you.
Hiya, pal.
Why are
How was school?
you a video?
Gosh, shut the door, hurry up. Quick, quick.
What?
Happy birthday. Happy early birthday. Hello. That's Olivia. I was telling you all about it. It's okay, she won't bite you. Olivia, just pick her up. Be confident. That's it. Let's see you. Let's see you, darling.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Ice cream, ice cream.
Ready?
That's bacon.
Bacon!
That's bacon.
Mom! Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
He's excited to meet you. That's bacon.
I love it.
That's your puppy.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you so much.
You're so sweet.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my
Here's a baby sausage dog. He has. It's called Marvin. You like him? Yeah. Watch out, don't we?
Uh-oh, he's going to do
A bit shy. He's only a baby, remember?
Chloe. What? Dunzy, Dunzy. Come here, Chloe. Emily, calm down. Look at it. Do you like?
Like it?
Oh, he likes you. He likes you.
Come see my back. Hang on, just walk over here. Just show my back a little bit.
What? What the hell? Did you spell one? No, what the hell? Oh, is this a joke?
It's yours. Happy Christmas.